Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Now click on this switcher next to Auto Brightness feature to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can always go into Tab menu instead and tap on this icon next to Brightness slider with a sun to enable or disable adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!